If you not ball hog, then die.
Blue honey, pink 50. I ain't scared, twin with me. I score 40 in the summer league. I can show you how to get them gas if you want. Ball hard, yeah, we coming through, we coming. Stars in my ceiling, yeah, I think I seen a comment. Niggas hating on me down, I wanna turn off my comments. I'm a rapper now, honestly it's awesome. Had a blotted hoe, why she always trying to start something? You wanna play ball, let's play a game, 5-on-5. I'm too geek right now, I gotta get off line. He say he wants some beat right now, throw his ass some fries. How you want me ball, nigga, you don't even try. I don't wanna talk, bitch, block, yeah, goodbye.
Motor's not tied. Oh. Care package. But everything, oh my gosh, this is disgusting. As you can see, this is freaking gross, like bad. Like I've not taken good care of this thing. The whole motor is not even mounted. So we're gonna take care of all this stuff and just get this looking right. This body is absolutely destroyed. So I'm probably going to remake one. I've never made a body or painted a body before. So I'm just gonna try and get creative, see what happens. First coat is done. Now while that dries, we're gonna tackle this. Okay, this is stupid, I know, but I lost one of the pins, but I found a little stick that fits exactly the same. So we're gonna try that and see if it keeps. Dude, that's actually sick. You know what they say, if it's stupid and it works, it's not stupid. So I'm also trying these other gold wheels on that have like a crazy offset, so we'll see how that works out. Well, I was doing a test drive on this with a new wheel, and kind of have a problem here. That's not supposed to be like that.